Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on Emergency Information and select Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Following that, tap on one of your contacts that you wish to add, and then do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of them, tap on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!